Hello there. Very quick and brief video today about sorting out how we put stuff from the phone onto the computer and then onto Facebook, that sort of thing. Oh, goodness me. Hang on, I've got phone problems here. What TV region I'm in? Oh, I hate this thing. Right, so what we do, I've recorded a short thing on here. What you do now is plug your phone in, a charge lead, that's it, USB charge lead to your phone, and then plug that into your computer. I've got one on the front of mine, so I'm very posh like that. So now we don't want Microsoft Edge particularly, but what we do want, if you look down here, I'm going to be a lot of fiddling around with this, so bear with me. There's this little gubbins here which brings up your files, your file system. There we go. Now let's just go back a bit. No, too close. Back. Right. So down the side here, go back in again now. Because it's a Galaxy, I've called it Galaxy Quest. A bit corny, but there you go. So I click on that, and then I've got card and phone. It's actually on the phone, I think it should be on the card, but there you go. Which brings up a menu of what's on the card on the phone. And then you go to where it says DCIM and double click on it. Come on, wake up. And then to where it says camera, and it'll bring you up what's on the camera. Now we have got here the video I shot, and if we just click on properties, it says that it is an MP4 file, which means I could put this straight onto YouTube. So let's do that, okay? Now we don't need this now. We can just get rid of it by Xing it off. Oh, there's a better way of doing this, but I don't know it. There. Now we're back to breaking news. Let me wide angle you out again. So what we need now is open my internet, bookmarks, webs and video, YouTube. Come on, YouTube. We'll get there any time now. There we are. Okay, and you've got my own personal YouTube channel, which has got all sorts of horrible stuff on it. Everything from pigs giving birth to repairing guitars. Well, it doesn't matter what you put, so including here some thunder and lightning. So you go up into the corner of your YouTube, up, and it says create. Click on create, upload videos. There we are, and you get this. Let's go back a little bit. Sorry about that, this is dreadful, I know, but there you go. Then you go select files. Okay, there we are. And you then find your Galaxy Quest. And you go phone. And you go DCIM. And you go camera. And there's your video. Sorry. Double click on that. And it downloads it to the computer. Ding. And there we are. Now you call it anything you want to call it. It's uploading. Look, it's only a short video, so it's So what shall we call it? We'll call it video. Oh, that's not going to work, is it? Get rid of that. I got the wrong thing going on there. There we are. Video. Video upload tutorial. And you can put Bob. Right. I put a title in. It says here it's 95% processed, and we go next. And no, it's not made for kids. I just always click it on that. And then there's more options. I'm going to say what the date was if you click on that. Stop the thing, you just click on today's date. Item locate. I'm going to fill this stuff in if you don't want to. There we go. Is it music? Not really. How to and style, music, blah 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 blah. Science and technology? No, not really. Education. There we go. So I got, and here you can choose a thumbnail. So when it comes up on YouTube, when somebody searches for it, there it will be. There's nothing here I want to add. And publish. Now you can have it public where anybody can see it, unlisted, which means the video only people who send the link to are private. So I will send it public because why not? Okay. And then down here it says publish, and it takes a minute. And then you close that when it says it's done it. And it's still processing, and then if you click on view on YouTube, there it is. Oh, there it is, yes. So you click play.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, here we go.
We actually want.
So that's that on YouTube.
There we go. Oh, what a handsome chap. It doesn't matter what I record, really. It's just to do the actual recording and then show how it gets onto YouTube or Facebook or what have you. So, I don't know. 72 and I still look 16.
So that's it. That's how it's done. That's your lot.